Hello everyone. I Rajni welcome you all in YTS study time. Hope you all are fit and fine at your place with your family members. So today I am going to start your new topic, that is simple future tense. Before starting the topic, I would like to clear you what is simple future tense. What is it? The simple future tense tell us, basically we use simple future tense to express an action. That action which we had keep it in mind that we will do in future. Action which will happen in the future. Those actions which we had already think that definitely we will do tomorrow or the next day or the next year. The planning, I can say that. Now, we usually use certain words. We usually use certain words. Which word we use to make the future tense? That is will and shall. I hope you understood the helping verb of the future tense. We have two helping verbs in future tense. That is will and shall. Moving on the rules. What are the rules to make the simple future tense? So here I am telling you the rules to make the simple future tense. Rule. First, subject, helping verb, that is will and shall. Then the verb, the first form of the verb. First form of the verb. At last, object. Okay. Basically, one thing also comes in our mind. How can we come to know that the sentence is in simple future tense? If I talk about Hindi, so we have to keep one thing in our mind, that is at last word is ga, gi, ge. वाक्य के अंत में सिर्फ यही शब्द आएंगे, दैट इज गा गी के. मैं खाना खाऊंगा, वे बाजार जाएंगे, हम खेलेंगे, हम अपना होमवर्क करेंगे, गे. दैट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. नाउ हाउ कैन वी रिकॉग्नाइज द टेंस इन इंग्लिश? So we have to keep the things, that is the what? The helping verb, that is will and shall. The helping verb, will and shall. If in the sentence there is will and shall, so we understood that it is future tense. Because only in future tense, in the simple future tense, we use will and shall. Okay? So I am giving you example also. That example is, मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. ठीक है? वे मैदान में खेलेंगे. I'll write here वह, because we know that we have to know that where we use will and where we use shall. Okay, so shall we use with we and they. We always use shall with we and they. Rest of the pronoun we use will. Okay, so here वह, subject is he. Now we have to add he will, the helping verb. Go is the verb and to mark it. You know that the this will is the helping verb, and we use will with singular subject. Okay? Now come on the second. दे खेलेंगे. So with they we will use shall. They shall play. Where they play? In the ground. They will play in the ground. They will play in the ground. Yes, they will play in the ground. So as you know that we use shall with plural subject and will with singular subject. Okay, so what is plural and what is singular? Plural subjects क्या हैं और singular subjects क्या हैं? Plural, we use here we and they, and we use with we and they shall. Singular, here singular is I, he, she, it, any name. We use will. We use will with these singular subject, and with this plural subject we use shall. Yes. Now moving on, negative tense. How we will make simple future tense in negative. This is the affirmative rule, and now moving ahead with the negative tense. Now negative tense. Negative, how can we change it? So first of all we should know the rules. So I am telling you the rules of the negative. What is the negative rule? First of all, subject. As we know, will and shall are the helping verbs. Will, shall, then not, then first form of the subject. First form of the verb, first form of the verb, and then object. This is the rule. Okay, subject, that you know, the subject is a doer in the sentence. Will and shall is the helping verb, and then first form of the verb. First we add not because it is negative. Okay, so we add not and then first form of the verb and then verb and object. Okay, so let's see the example. वह गाना नहीं गाएगी. वह गाना नहीं गाएगी. वे बाजार नहीं जाएंगे. Okay, so moving with the rules. Keep in your mind rule you have to be learned. Okay, or by the practice you will learn. Now he is a subject. Vah, he. What we use with he? We use will. He will. Then not. Look here, subject, will, helping verb, and then not. Now first form of the verb. What is the first form of the verb? Sing. He will not sing a song. Okay? He will not sing a song. Now the second is वे बाजार नहीं जाएंगे. वे बाजार नहीं जाएंगे. वे is a subject, that is they. What we use with they? We have to use shall. We shall not. We shall not go to market. We shall not go to market. So I hope you know how we go through these all sentences by the rule. How we can use rules in our sentences. Okay. So moving on the interrogative. Interrogative. So first I am going to tell you the rule. Will, shall, subject, first form of verb plus object. This is the first rule of interrogative. I am telling you the second rule also. That is question word, will, shall, subject plus first form of the verb plus object. So you can be asked, ma'am, why two rules are there? Why two rules are there for the interrogative? And for the interrogative we have two rules because interrogative makes two types. First, when the sentence start with kya in Hindi. When the sentence started with kya in Hindi, we use helping verb to make the sentence in interrogative. If there is question word in between the sentence, then we use the second rule to make the interrogative sentences. So I am telling you the first one. Kya Ram बाजार जाएगा? क्या राम बाजार जाएगा? ओके, क्या राम बाजार जाएगा? This and the second is राम कहाँ जाएगा? राम कहाँ जाएगा? So let's start to make the sentence. क्या राम बाजार जाएगा? It start with क्या. So we have to follow the first rule. Will Ram go to market? Where we have to follow the second rule because question words comes in between. We have to follow the second rule when question words comes in between. Where will Ram go? And with question mark. And with question mark. Okay? And with question mark. So hope my dear student you understand. Let's moving on the revision at last. Now the time is final revision. So simple future tense, the affirmative part, subject, will, shall are the helping verbs, first form of the verb and object. Here's the example, वह खाना खाएगा. वह is a singular subject, so we use will with he. He will eat food. हम पत्र लिखेंगे. As we know, हम is a plural subject, so we use shall with we. We will write a letter. Now the negative part, subject, will, shall help are the helping verb. We use not with it in negative, first form of the verb and object. The examples are वह खाना नहीं खाएगा. He will not eat food. हम पत्र नहीं लिखेंगे. We shall not write a letter. Now come on the interrogative part. Interrogative part, I told you that we make interrogative in a two ways. First, that is started with will and shall. Subject, first form of the verb, object. Okay. So example is here. क्या वह खाना खाएगा? The क्या at the first. So we start with will. Because because वह is a singular subject. So I make the sentence, will he eat food? Same with the second part. Question word, will, shall, subject, first form of the verb and then object. As I told you, if question words come in between the sentence, we use for that question word and after that helping verb. Like वह कल कहाँ जाएगा, कहाँ in between the sentence. जो question word है वो बीच में है. So we use कहाँ for English, where. That word is where he will go tomorrow. Where he will go tomorrow. So my dear, I hope I am able to explain you the simple future tense. Thank you so much. We will continue with the next video further on the tenses, that is the present continuous tense. For the time being, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.